Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kai Breezy, aka Kaya. My name is Kaya if you're new here. So as you can tell by the title, the video is called Summer Maintenance. So I'll be doing summer maintenance. First on my list, I like to dye my hair blonde. My freshman year I did dye it brown, but I wanted to be blonde, but I didn't know you had to bleach it to get it. I wanted the 613. So next I'm going to get my hair done braid. Get some braid, probably knotless, and it's not healthy getting my hair dyed and then it's the same day getting it. I'm going to do it anyway. So I finished doing the tabs on the backwood, so I'm finished right now. And as I was starting first, I had to I have to take everything down from Genesis. I was doing it right up and down, but then I found this Bible tab guide and I just started doing that. And I did go on TikTok and look it up to make sure I was right. Messed up. I didn't have the sticky tabs. I had the cardboard tabs, and I had to glue it, use glue sticks to glue it. I need to do that one. I have that open. It's very old. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna get ready and leave the house to go to the store and go just put on my pretty little things, joggers that I got for my birthday, and this shirt like I was telling you guys what I was wearing this morning, so I can just go out the house. It's currently 6:25, so I'm gonna get ready and go get the dye. So I'll see you guys when I get to Walmart. Alright guys, so I'm back from the store. I did go by Walmart and got the bleach dye. I don't think it's really bleach dye. I really don't know, y'all. I really don't know anything about dye, bleaching, or whatever. And I also went by the beauty supply store. I did not do any film. I did not record because there's a lot of people, and I was sometimes I'd be scared to record, y'all. I was in Walmart, but someone walking on the aisle, and I was ugh. Lovely dye right here. I got two of these. This one was $8, and I got another one. My mom's just get the other one. The other one was on sale for $6, but it was on sale for $6. It was $6.74. Because the package was damaged. I don't know if you guys can see. I got some earrings. Yeah. So I did get that, and for my hair, I'm getting braids. I think knotless braids. Probably medium size, because I do not want to sit there long, and I'm getting it done tonight. Every time my mom do my hair, y'all should already know, if you guys been watching, that my mom always do my hair late at night. It's currently 7:57, and tomorrow is my dad's birthday, so we are going out for my dad's birthday, taking him somewhere. So yeah, and I got 613 and 27. I want these colors. It's too much lighting. So I'll probably get this right here because I really like this hairstyle. I don't know, but I think I'm leaning towards this right here. I love the curl patterning. Alright, y'all, so my mom took my hair down, so we're getting ready to dye my hair now. So my mom is done doing my hair. It is the next day, but she just finished. It is currently 1:25. So yeah, this is how it looks, y'all. With the edges, you can barely see them because it's just blending in. Instagram. So I just got out the shower, so now I'm just gonna do my face routine, what I like put on after I do my wash up on my face, my cleansing, which hazel that I use. Some Eucerin. This one for itching, and this one like for like repairing, like when you have dry skin, because I have dry skin, and both of them work really good. When you itching, I recommend using this. But I come back with this moisturizer because my skin likes to peel, so if I don't use moisturizer, it just be dry, and I have dry skin. Alright, so I just got done applying it. Like, this is kind of like a little bit crooked. I got this from TikTok shop. It came in today, and I got vanilla cashmere, and this scent smells so good, y'all. Y'all should go get it. I ordered it off of TikTok shop because y'all, it was $3 because I never ordered anything from TikTok shop before, so it was $3 on there. So I just went and got it on there instead of paying like $10 for it in the store. But it actually smells really good. I'm gonna put on my clothes now. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this romper, like I said, like, and I'm wearing my Kurt bag, and then I have the Kurt sounds that match. And I'm finna get ready to do my edges because I need to do my edges, and then put some lip gloss on. And then be ready to go. Really, this is kind of the end of the maintenance, the summer maintenance vlog, because I didn't do my nails because I played sports, y'all, and I have scrimmage games and stuff, so I didn't worry about doing that. But I did want to get my eyebrows wet, so you guys, I probably not posted this video yet. I probably just wait a couple days and then go get my eyebrows wet, and I probably put some pressed nails on, and yeah. Alright guys, so today's my dad's birthday, so we're gonna get ready and go out to eat to take him somewhere for his birthday. We're gonna go somewhere to eat or something like that. So I got his cube, and y'all, I got him this thing off Amazon. It's like a bracelet, and they have like a little card, and they have this, and they have like a little note, and you can write inside of it, and it's a bag with some clothes and stuff in. But we're gonna get ready and go out to eat. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I get in the car. Hey guys, so I do have practice. It's like in practice like an hour or so. It's 1:55, but I'm just gonna hoop. I'm just gonna shoot around because I really want to practice on basketball, do some layups and stuff. So I'm just gonna hoop, shoot around, and I probably just stop at 2:15 so I can get in the tub and get ready for softball practice. go. You want to say your name or something?
My name is Lily.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
And I'll lock them on.
We just went out to eat. Yeah. However, so we just decided to have a movie day / night over my house. However, so we're watching Inside Out 2, and we're supposed to be wearing the colors. I picked yellow, and I do not have anything yellow, so like I'm wearing and go pick up the snacks. And it's currently 4:06, and it start at 5, which is kind of crazy because I didn't go get the snacks yet. But it's like a store right by my house, y'all. So that's nothing to like really worry about. 2 other people, but I don't think they can come over. It's 2 other people, but like they have something else planned, so it just got in the way today. So right now we outside finna just shoot around. We the only 2 that really like came. No, I live here. Yeah. He's the only one. He's the only one that came. I'm gonna miss, but. I also the Bible and like really just meditate, and then this be the end of the video. So yeah, let me change my music because I was just listening to like I Want You. And guys, I set up my desk, I set up my projector so I can like reflect on my desk, and it's like so cute. But this is how it looks right now. The Bible and meditate, guys, because I really need to do that in my life. So yeah. Deliver like a dealer, take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher.
Doesn't he leave the 99 in the open country and go after the older, and he goes home? He calls his friends.
Alright, so I'm finna get ready to end this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like this video, make sure you comment like what other videos you guys would like to see. But I'm finna get ready and go to bed. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video like I was saying. And yeah.